I just cut the.
Oh. And that's why you get the mechanic to do it. We're fitting a McLaren exhaust to this G82.
No, we're not. Fitting a stainless steel exhaust to my G82. I just cut the carbon.
Oh. Oh. Show me. Oh. That's right, we can polish that out.
Fuck!
Keep going. Keep going. Yep. Bit special.
It's special.
Just for you.
Just like me. We have my M4 up on the hoist here at Elite Era Performance, and we're installing a brand new exhaust system. When I got the car, I think I got the car maybe 4 or 5 months ago. It's been a bit of time. I love the way it drives, I love the way it looks, I love the way it handles. But the one thing I don't like about the car, and I just can't get myself to get around it, is the way it sounds. From factory, all the new cars coming out have so many cats, resonators, all the EU sort of emissions and regulations. It just made all the cars sound like shit. I've partnered up with a company called Valvemaster over in Canada. They've sent me a brand new stainless steel exhaust system, and that's what we're going to be installing onto the car today. So yeah, let's do it.
Right.
So you're going to give a rundown on the parts of the exhaust.
That's the exhaust.
And those are
the tips.
Done.
It's pretty straightforward.
No, for the video.
For the video. Oh,
Yeah.
we're doing a video.
It's like peeling back an onion. Ooh.
Oh.
Okay, look at this detail. So these are the gloss carbon tips from Valvemaster. My biggest pet peeve is when people put carbon on their cars, and if the car already comes with carbon, the weave doesn't match. It's an OCD thing. But look at the weave here. Perfect. GG Valvemaster.
I'm ready.
Need a nurse?
You're my nurse.
I'm the nurse today.
You're the nurse today.
We switch up the roles.
Pick. No, that's not a pick.
What the fuck's a pick?
That's a fucking lever bar. Pick right here.
Dr. Bobby in the house today, performing
it.
some surgery on the G82.
I got my doctorate from a cereal packet. Oh. Hey, Avi, what are you doing? Are we taking this off or what? All that. What? Okay, you got your gloves on?
Wait.
Put that shit down. All right, come over here.
Yeah.
Don't, no, forward. Okay, you hold it, all right?
Okay.
Show me your muscles. So I'm gonna go have a coffee.
Okay.
I'll be back. So about half an hour, see how long you can hold it for.
Carly muscle.
Right.
Oh yeah.
All right. So we've extracted the tooth.
The tooth.
All right, so we're going to install the Valvemaster stainless steel exhaust system for RV. Now, this kit is slightly different to the OEM setup. Obviously, we're doing a catback system, so that's not going to require any tuning or anything like that. However, we're going from a dual OEM setup to a single mid and a Valvetronic rear muffler. Now, let's see how good this fitment is. Fingers crossed, for RV's sake. Not bad, not bad.
No rattles, yeah? No fucking rattles.
I'm just gonna leave one screw unloose just for you.
Like good or okay?
Fits good.
Okay.
Fits really good.
There you go. Bobby's very, very hard.
Yeah, I'm hard to please.
Hard to please.
I'm always skeptical, but that went on straight away. It was like 2 seconds.
GG Valvemaster.
Torque spec on these is 2 ugga-duggas. Right, you go tucka. That's... Alright, now see, that's the one tricky part, that one I'm gonna have to do by hand.
What do you do with the old exhaust? Melt it? Sell it to cash converters?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we melt it down,
Yeah.
and we make jewelry out of it.
Yeah, nice.
We don't really just commit to it and work our way back.
Yeah.
You dummy it up. That way, if you need to make any adjustments or if you need to modify anything, we can just take that piece off one at a time. Underneath. Yep, beautiful. Like your work. Hold that. Don't move. Okay, up. Okay, don't move. Up more.
Just cut to the part where it's on and then driving away. Maybe.
A rate out of 10?
Yes. 4? He's gonna say 3.
Nah, 8.5.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
It's not bad. Because this is the trickiest part to do here, and they've done it pretty well.
Is it straight? Ish. The fitment here is actually good. Just leave this part loose until we lower the casting of the tips right now. I'm not a mechanic, don't know what I'm doing, but I want to learn and bring you along for the journey. Isn't that what everyone says these days? Bring you along for the journey. Sounds like it hurts, man.
Keep going. One more. Oh yeah. Peeky boo. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep a little bit more. That's it. Ow! Stop. Hammer time. Suction, quick. Suction. Suction. Suction.
See this? I did all the work, obviously. Different sets
Just
problem.
like that, we're watertight. Okay. Moment of truth.
Oh really? We started up?
That's tight. That's tight. That's tight. They're tight. They're tight. Yep, yep. They're tight. They're tight. That's tight. That's tight. And we're all tight.
Oh yeah. We're ready for the new exhaust install.
That's closed. That's
I
open.
can't hear what he's saying.
Ready?
That's fucking sick! Nah, this is not even like dead ass. That's fucking awesome. You close the valves? Yeah, it's got that like, not a V8, but throatier.
Rest it?
Bro,
Sounds good.
that sounds very, very nice. No rust.
Sweet. Can we go do some burnouts?
Go for it, bro.
Show this kid how to drive.
Dude, that sounds so good, man. That's nasty. That's the install finished. How long was the install time?
3 hours, which was pretty good.
Including SIE time.
Yeah.
I want to say thank you to Valvemaster for sending out their exhaust over to me in Australia. That was sick. Very kind of them. And Bobby and everyone at Elite Europe Performance for installing it, taking the time out of their Saturdays to do so. The system itself sounds perfectly mint for a stock car.
Very good.
The best that you can get a stock car to sound, I think we've reached it until we start adding more to it, which we will at some point.
Yeah. Compared to like the mid-pipe kits to a full catback, so a single to a full system.
Yep.
Nice deep tone, sounds good on the drive, no drone. So yeah, good overall.
Awesome. Thank you so much. It's funny how much of a difference a full fucking exhaust can make to